It was pure insanity.
Hey folks, Greg with Mother Udder Farms here. We are kind of behind the scenes for Homestead Rescue. We wanted to show you a few things that are going on in the background.
As you can see, Marty's here, shirtless. And Misty and Jess are down there, not exactly sure what they're doing, but it looks like they're checking out the well. Some good friends showed up to rebuild chicken coops.
As you can see, the excavator is in the background. They are working on the structure using the connexes. Marty has just now stopped. He's been working all the way through lunch, trying to get that done for us. They just finished flattening out the garden section. I'm looking forward to seeing what's happening next. We were just surprised with Lacey and her family coming down with a whole load of lumber that's been drying on her property for a year. We're going to see how the Radius want to use that. I am really hopeful to see how this week progresses. Taking a quick look at what all has been done. Can't wait to see what this becomes and what this turns into.
One item that did not make it on the show was that Marty found a spring while clearing out a section of goat henge. We always wanted a water feature on the land, but didn't know we already had one there. The ducks love it.
We're shooting their YouTube channel. This is a good idea. People should have done this. You're the first one to do it.
Hey guys, we are here with Marty, Misty, Matt Raney, of course Jess and the boys and myself with Mother Udder Farms. What do you guys think about it, spending a week with us?
We loved it.
Hey, hold on. A lot of work. It was pure insanity.
Nice.
Really cool.
We're gonna miss you guys. What are we gonna do? Where's Liam's face? Here we go. We're going down.
Liam.
We can see him. Okay.
No, these are real homesteaders with a lot of knowledge. We get motivated when the people are literally running businesses and being self-sufficient with their foods they grow, their gardens. So Matt, Misty, and I were very inspired to work as hard as we possibly could to get these guys kind of restarted in their dream of homesteading. And make no mistake about it, when we rolled in here 7 days ago, every single thing on this homestead was burnt and hauled away. So it's tragic, and it's as you can tell, it leaves you speechless. And to see these guys bouncing back,
they need to go down the hill.
It's been a privilege.
Clap, but I can't.
It's been a privilege to help them. It's been a privilege.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you.
Awesome. You guys are
Thank
awesome.
you guys.
High five. High five. Okay.
Yeah.
High
Five's coming in, Liam.
Shake.
Boom.
Get in there. Liam's
We did it. Turkey.
I saw that your hands were like really cold.
See ya.
See you next time, folks. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.